Hi, are you okay? Today I'm going to show you how to cut the whole chicken in pieces. Come on, let's go. Right, first, see the wing here. See there, got a joint. Cut it out like this, yeah. Put it on one side. Do the same as the other one. Put it on one side. See the leg here going in. And then press it open. You will see the joint here. See there. You will see the joint. And then carry on. And you will come off. See there. Same as the other side. Okay, come off like this. See the end bit. So just fold it away. And now, in there, in the middle, okay, let's cut it in half, put it on one side. See there, in the middle. Put one on the other side. And now, put it in. Take the next one out. Or you can cut it in half first. Make it small pieces. Put it in. And now, see there. Okay, so they put it in. Now the wing. The joint in the middle there, yeah, okay. And the end bit, you're going to keep it, put it in then. Same as the other one. Okay, put it in. Now the leg. See there, you can open up a bit. Easier to cut it in pieces. Yeah, put that in. Now same as this one. Open up. There you go. That's the whole chicken in pieces. It's not that hard to cut it in pieces. I hope you like this video. If you like it, can you give me a like, share, comment, and follow, please? Thank you for watching. Bye.